What's up guys? Today I will show you how to make unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So let's start. For this you have to open Google Chrome browser or any other browser from your desktop or laptop and then open google.com, and here you have to search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Hit on Google Cloud Skills Boost. Next, click on Sign In. Hit on it. Here I sign in with my Gmail, so I hit on Sign In with Google. Here I select my email and tab on Continue, and then you have to tab on I am not a robot and accept the terms and condition. Click on I accept. Okay, in next I click on Explore, tab on it, scroll down and select Lab from the format folder. Refresh the page. Click on a tour on Google. Here you find a Gmail ID and password for 1 hour. Okay, here you find a Gmail ID and password for 1 hour. Click on Start. Copy the Gmail ID, username, password. You can also create YouTube ID by this email ID and password. Okay, first I log in. Copy username. Copy the password. This Gmail will automatically create. You don't need any phone number to verify this email ID. Click on I understand. Okay, my Gmail ID is ready. And use this Gmail ID any purpose. If the video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye.